Saskatchewan SINP 2026, Why the Draw Delay and How to Pivot Now. Saskatchewan's 2026 immigration landscape has changed dramatically, and if you're waiting for a SINP draw, you've probably noticed the unexpected delay. But this pause isn't random, it's part of a major policy shift that's reshaping how nominations are distributed across sectors. The province's nomination allocation for 2026 is 4,661 spots, with 50% reserved for priority sectors like healthcare, agriculture, skilled trades, mining, manufacturing, energy, and technology. Meanwhile, capped sectors such as food services, trucking, and retail face tighter limits. This means Saskatchewan is focusing on long-term retention and economic impact, not just volume. So, why the delay? Saskatchewan is re-evaluating demand across these sectors before opening new draws. The province is conducting a mid-year assessment to ensure priority sectors meet labor needs. Unused nominations may be redistributed later in 2026, depending on federal approval. How to pivot and stay competitive. If your expression of interest, EOI, is pending or your sector is capped, don't panic. Pivot strategically, target priority sectors, update your profile or job search toward healthcare, trades, agriculture, or tech roles. These sectors have the highest chance of nomination. Secure a valid job approval letter. Employers in capped sectors must reapply under new intake windows. Make sure your employer's letter is current and compliant. Boost your CRS score. Use language tests, education upgrades, or Canadian work experience to strengthen your express entry profile. Stay ready for intake windows. Saskatchewan may reopen draws mid-year. Keep your documents updated and monitor official SINP announcements. Explore alternative pathways. Consider other PNPs like Alberta Advantage or Manitoba Skilled Worker if your occupation faces delays. Check SINP's official site weekly for intake updates and nomination reallocations. Consult licensed immigration professionals to reassess your eligibility under new 2026 rules. Network with Saskatchewan employers in priority sectors. Job offers remain the fastest route to nomination. Prepare for faster processing. Once draws resume, SINP applications are being finalized in 2 to 3 weeks, making Saskatchewan one of Canada's quickest provinces for PNP approvals. The 2026 ALMS Gardar Stand. 2026 SINP redesign marks a turning point. Saskatchewan is moving toward quality-driven immigration, ensuring newcomers fill critical labor gaps and stay long-term. For applicants, this means adapting fast, focusing on in-demand skills, verified employers, and readiness for rapid processing once draws reopen. Like this video, subscribe for weekly Canada immigration updates, share this with anyone waiting for SINP results.